Google celebrates May the 4th in a very fun way. Hey everyone, this is Kevin, your entrepreneur. Thank you for joining the media channel. This is going to be a quick one, although if you like videos like this and want to see more like it, subscribe, ring the bell, leave comments. Let me know what you'd like to see next in terms of Google Easter eggs. Yes, for those of you who are not aware, Google has Easter eggs on their website. The very plain and simple Google webpage is, well, the #1 website in the world. Now here's the thing. Google... This is the #1 website everywhere, just everywhere. It's Google. Like, doesn't really matter who you are, you use Google. Typically, I use Bing. But one of the reasons people like Google are, well, it's simple, it's easy, and because Google does fun things. Like you see this little image right here. This is celebrating Hisaya Yamamoto. Now, I don't know who this is. Apparently, she was an American author who won the American Book Award. I don't know exactly what she, see, looks like I'm not the only one. But, yeah, they do fun things like that on their webpage. So they're celebrating today Hisaya Yamamoto. However, for a lot of nerds out there, today, which is May the 4th, and hopefully you're watching the video on May the 4th. If not, I'm recording this just in case something changes. May the 4th has an entirely different meaning. It's a celebration of Star Wars. You know how they say, May the Force be with you? Well, May the 4th. And, well, that's also why May the 5th is Revenge of the 5th. But, May the 4th has like a very similar sound to May the Force be with you. So, Star Wars fans like to celebrate it. And it would seem, upon looking at this, that Google is not celebrating May the 4th. That, this lady is of more concern. However, Google is celebrating May the 4th in a very fun and clever way. And unless you knew to do this, you wouldn't, well, obviously you wouldn't see it, because, and that's one of the reasons why we're making this, because I want to preserve it just in case this ever goes away. So, the way Google is celebrating May the 4th is you type in May the 4th. May the 4th. And then you search. And yay! There's little R2-D2 lightsabers, Baby Yodas, May the 4th be with you banners, C-3PO, R2-D2 stormtroopers. There you go. There you go. That is the little Easter egg that Google has put in there to celebrate May the 4th for all you Star Wars fans. And in case they ever take that away, well, now we have it preserved for all time. Anyway, that will be all for this very short video. I will catch you all later. Comment below, like, favorite, share, subscribe, and as always, flame responsibly. Have a good one.